You gotta be out of your mind to smoke zombie weed. They have mutated hybrid zombie weed in the hood. If you live in the urban setting, you got that zombie weed with THC like 30 to 50%, and it will make you crazy, lose your rabbit ass mind. Dr. Wesley Muhammad was dropping the science. Get his books about the zombie weed being pushed in the ghettos, in the urban setting, in the black communities, Chicago, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York, LA, zombie weed to make you crazy. Do you think Snoop Dogg gave up weed because he loved? He knows it's dangerous. Ubuntu.